Nagaling juki nongelam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ne kasngi kala lumi ke jingelang ha Congress Bhavan badia kren halor ke jingkento jong ka BJP. Nagaling secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Manuel Badwar ha kren jigelat pathai kubor ulaong pakasenghi kamla ban pediang ye jingkeno jong ka BJP. Ulaong ru ba ka BJP ka persang ban le ya kini tang ban pensat jingmut ya ki brio bat pynklet no ya ka jing tu bot ka jongki ha kapor badon ka election shu khila ongru ba kisngau longo banyo I ba ki nongelam jong ka BJP ki wan yaki khmat jong ka Congress Bhavan ban penpau ki jing persha ya ka jing kren jong ka Moitra ulong ba korkom persat jingmut ba pynklet yo poj ba nagi kam ka ba ki le nagaleng ka seng kala ongru ba kadai banyaki halor ki jing pendon kam bakla ya ka bor.
So we totally reject their allegations. Of course, that Rahul Gandhi had made some derogatory remarks, which we believe so that Rahul Gandhi never did and never will. I don't think so. He even have an ounce of blood in his body that will make derogatory remarks for anyone. So
it was not against Rahul Gandhi. It was against Congress worker in Bihar.
Yes. So having said that, I believe that what the BJP is trying to do is actually divert attention. It's a very tactical move from their side, which I believe that they want to take away the entire limelight of the vote theft. That time and time again the whole country is talking about it. The whole country is witnessing that this is actually something which has a lot of weight, has a lot of truth, and the BJP seem to be cornered, and because they feel cornered, they are reacting in whatever possible way that they can. They've come here to the Congress Bhavan to state their protest, thinking that probably the Congress has no one. But I think we have a big crowd, and we were actually sitting for our own meeting. By chance that they had come, so we obviously, once you've come to our house, we will obviously not just keep quiet. We have to at least show our resistance as well. But the diversionary tactic that they're playing is something which we should protest from our side, and because it is not something that only the Congress has talked about, right? There are reports that has come out, and we've read them. I think you people from the press must have been briefed about it also, that the last elections, in excess of 70 seats, there seemed to be some ghapla. So which means that the entire democratic process of elections has been hijacked. And given the allegations that has come from various papers and various researches that people have done, we believe that, the biggest issue, which is basically in India today, is unemployment. The biggest issue in the country today is the dispersion of wealth, which is not amongst everybody but just for a few handful of people. I think that is something which the BJP is trying to divert attention from, and they like to talk and they like to take this as a poll plank even in Bihar, and something which we seem to be understanding, and probably the whole country understand their gameplay. So they like to divert attention, they like to play politics in the name of religion, they like to play politics in the name of caste, they like to play politics in the name of family also, because I think the Gandhi family has taken the brunt of it quite severely for a long time now. And we believe that these kind of things is something which, especially in Meghalaya, them coming to protest here is nothing to do with anything. It's just that they want to please their gods. They want to make somebody happy because they had a meeting, I think, a couple of days back. Probably they've been instigated at that time during the meeting that they should come and do all this nonsense. So we completely reject it, and we completely condemn what they're doing. And the Congress, as you believe, as you know, we will keep on standing for what we believe. We will keep on standing for the poorest of poorest people. The wave in the entire country is moving towards that. I believe that 140 crores people are starting to realize now that the BJP has done nothing. The BJP has only created wealth for a few people, and the country is becoming poorer as far as income is concerned. And Meghalaya is one of those states which is actually taking the brunt of it all. And for them to come and protest here is something which we definitely condemn, and we would not like that to happen again. So that they play is well understood by the public at large. They are definitely very good with diverting attention of the people to something which is irrelevant. They should take care of the vote theft that they have been doing, and I think the mandate of the people in the few states that is going into poll will definitely show a different result altogether this time. And we have this hope that the democratic process of the country will stay alive and will not be dead and will not be killed by these kind of politics that the BJP is playing. Thank you.